What to expect from my cooking classes. So I started running my cooking classes last summer and it's been great fun, and I really appreciate the kind comments I've been receiving. Quite a few attendees told me that they didn't really know what to expect when they turned up. So by way of explanation, here goes. On arrival, you'll be warmly greeted by one of my assistants, Marlies, Mandy or Shannon, and given an apron. To begin with, we'll have a little chat and find out a little bit about your food life and stories. Each of my classes are based on a theme. Now my website's called Pie Master General, and one of my classes will be to teach you how to make my award-winning steak pie. But I also love to cook French, Spanish and Greek food, as well as fish and desserts. Another feature of our events will be to experience winners from Great Taste, the Great Taste Awards, where I've been a judge for the last 21 years, and we'll also feature award-winning cheeses from the World Cheese Awards from time to time as well. It's important to say that these are hands-on classes and you'll be preparing pretty much everything from scratch underneath my watchful but friendly eye. I mean, you're going to want to be able to take newfound skill and knowledge home. The evening will culminate in a multi-course feast which we'll enjoy with matching wine supplied by Solent Cellar, Lymington. If you'd like to attend one of my classes, I'd be delighted to see you. You'd be most welcome. Just check out my website, piemastergeneral.com. All the contact details are on there, and I'll be delighted to see you here.